Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix Monopoly Go crashing. So the first step here that we're going to do is basically go to your phone settings. So here on your phone settings, you want to go to your apps, and basically here you just need to go to apps management or manage apps. And then you just have to wait for a few seconds here, and we're going to use the search box right there at the top, and basically, we're going to type right here Monopoly Go. And from here, you can see the app info. Now go to storage at the top. So basically here, you just have to tap on clear data at the bottom. And then you just have to tap on clear cache and then clear all data. Now, once done here, you can now open your Monopoly Go and see if it fixed the issue. But if the problem persists, you want to go to your Play Store. And basically here, if you're using Android, you can go to Play Store, or if you're using iOS, you can go to App Store. So basically you can just uninstall this application and reinstall this again. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.